Hey guys, it's Ro. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Donal.
Hello.
You guys know Donal. We've baked together before.
We have. We've had lots of fun.
Yeah, he's a fellow foodie. I'm going to be putting links down below. So if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe to his channel. Show him some love. He is amazing. So today I got so many requests to play this game. It's called Doggie Doo. And it looked really silly. And I thought, who better than Donal? Because he's got an adorable dog, Max, over here.
We're totally bribing them with doggy treats behind the box.
Little treats. And then we got Cookie over here.
Oh, hey,
so
Cookie.
let's show him off because Cookie's kind of short.
Look at the two of them.
I know.
They're like girlfriend and boyfriend.
I also like that this game kind of teaches good habits. So apparently you win the game by picking up doggy poops.
That is true. I feel like we should mention the fact that you've just mentioned good habits and we both have our dogs on the kitchen table.
Let's play this game. I've never played it before.
You texted me a picture of this and I got super excited because I mean, look, it's a dog, and if you look at the back, can we look at the back? It's got a leash and there is Doggie Doo involved. I mean, this can only end well.
Yeah.
I feel like this is the sort of thing I'd be really excited for Christmas.
Yes.
Look, there's little spades. Wow.
Oh, look at our dog.
Wow.
Look at
He's
our
a sausage dog. What is
What's
that?
this?
Where's that gonna go? Does that go in there?
Maybe he's being bad. Naughty, naughty. Oh my gosh, I think it does go in the...
I think it does go in the
It's
bum.
like, oh. Yes.
Push the food all the way inside the doggy's mouth. We were way off. We don't go that end. We go this end. Why do we both go to that?
I know, right?
Oh, look! It's like neon yellow.
This is like slime.
This is not what my Doggie Doo looks like. One food bowl. Where's the food bowl?
Uh-oh.
This is hardly the food bowl. That's not the. Is that the food bowl?
It's gotta be, because what else would it be?
Oh,
a
it is.
hat?
No, it is feeding
It's
the
not
dog.
a hat.
It is.
Fill up his little food bowl.
Yeah. Ooh.
We didn't even name our dog.
That is true. Oh, it's flubbery.
It is. Okay, he's got his little
Hang
food.
on, we need to name the dog.
We need a dog name.
Oh.
I really love food names for dogs.
Okay.
Pancakes. Muffin, potato.
Muffin.
Ketchup.
What about Thunder?
Thunder?
Thunder dog.
Okay, done.
Or no, or
Oh.
Flash the dog.
I love that.
Yeah, well, can we call him that?
Yeah, this is Flash.
Okay, Flash.
This is like if you have a dog that needs to have medication, but it doesn't want to eat it. You gotta just
jam it on in.
Go
I
in
don't know
there.
if that's like correct medical doggy advice, but you know, consult a medical professional before you follow Ro's instructions.
Oh my god!
I love that
So
you.
weird.
The game ends when a player has collected 3 pieces of the dog's doo on their shovel. If your doggy's food is still stuck, using the cleaning tool to push it through. Remove the yellow bone, insert the cleaning tool into the doggy's mouth, starting with the circular end. Hold the doggy down with one hand and use the other hand to push the cleaning tool all the way out through the doggy until the doo falls out.
This is why I could not be a vet.
Bro, in no real situation does a vet ever push something all the way through a dog. When I leave, I'm not leaving this with you and Cookie. I worry what might happen.
Donal, you go first. Roll that dime. What do we got?
Ooh, come to mama. 2.
2.
It's so not going to end up all the way through him in
It's
2 goes.
not?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, unless I do it really fast. Hang
Okay,
on.
go fast.
Oh, his little tail wags. Did you see that? I actually want to do this and listen.
Okay, listen.
Hang on. Every time it's this like. Okay, Flash, we've learned farts quite consistently, so.
A lot.
Okay.
Because we're feeding him slime.
Well, if we didn't feed him slime, we'd have nothing to eat. Oh.
Switch shovels.
Now hang on, if we switch shovels and we have nothing on them, what's the point of that?
It's kind of pointless until there's dew on them.
True.
But later in the game, you could roll a switch shovels. Boom! Now, we want big numbers, big numbers.
It only goes up to 3, Ro, but okay. Oh.
1.
1. Should we have the shovels in place just in case?
Oh, you should.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, hang on. Oh, little wag of the tail. No fart this time.
Happy, but no fart.
No fart. Oh, 1. Okay.
I gotta do it, I
Quick
gotta do it.
and firm.
Here it goes.
Quick
1,
and firm.
2, 3.
Oh. Yours is more like you were blowing up a balloon.
No.
1.
1.
Let's make a deal. Let's double the numbers that are on the dice.
Deal.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, double the numbers.
3.
One,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's not coming, Ro. Flash, come on. You can do this.
Maybe I didn't put it in there. It has not moved.
And then look in this end.
It is not.
I think we need more food.
They specifically tell you not to do this.
Well, they are wrong, Ro.
We are going to do it because we know when our baby boy here is hungry, and he's hungry.
I don't know if he's that hungry for this stuff, but he's gonna get it anyway. Flash, we told you we need to do a little poo and we're gonna get in there.
Come on. We've got the full deal in there, and let's triple these numbers.
Okay.
All right, so it's 2, so I'm doing times 3.
No,
1,
okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, it sounds like something's coming.
Okay, you got this.
Oh no. Because I can hear he is close. Flash is close.
Hanging on by a thread. 3.
Oh, you're so good. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll hold just in case.
1, 2,
oh, here
3,
it comes!
4,
Here it
5.
comes! Yay!
First poo.
First poo. I kind of want to.
It's
Would you like a little bit of food?
Yes.
Would you like your dinner? Okay.
Yes.
There
you go.
You eat that food. Let's roll the dice. Here we go.
All right, let's
3.
see. 3.
Do I double
times
it?
2.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna double it. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh. I think like the noise is the best part of this game. This is brilliant. Oh, he's close.
Could happen any second.
He is ready to blow.
Oh, I love
Oh, you missed a
this
turn.
I have a feeling this may happen for you.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Here we go. 1.
So times 2.
Okay.
Quick. Oh, this is gonna happen.
Oh, yes!
Oh, wow! It just shot right
That
out.
was a solid poo. Oh, good boy. You're a good boy.
All right. Tie game.
Boom.
We got 1 do to 1 do.
It's duty 2 time.
Roll the dice. 2. We times 2, so that is 4 pumps. Here we go. 1.
Every
2.
time.
3. 4.
It sounds like a night after some really bad takeout food.
You got this. Go, Donal.
2. Okay.
2. So 4 for you. 1,
Oh.
2, 3, 4.
Oh no!
Oh.
He's close though. He's close.
What is it?
Oh, you missed a turn. You don't do on this turn. Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Oh!
All right. Let's roll the dice. A 3.
3. Oh, get your shovel. Get your shovel ready for this one.
I'm
Okay.
gonna take this dog on a walk for some little doo-doos. Here we go.
I kind of want to watch.
2. Can you see it? 3.
I can hear it.
4. 5. 6.
I don't want to be too close. Was that 6?
That was 6.
I can see it.
If you own a dog, you gotta get used to it because every dog poos.
And if your
Yeah.
dog doesn't poo, you should bring him to the vet.
Oh, right away. Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh.
oh no! This is where the game gets interesting. So I got the
Switch.
switcheroo.
Don't mind if I do.
I just don't know what to say anymore.
Is this gonna win the game?
Yes. 2. Oh, you were totally gonna win. I knew you would because
Right
you just
here.
love poop.
1,
Oh.
2, 3, 4. Did it
You
come
won!
out?
You won! Hooray!
3 Little Doos wins the game, and I have to say that the switching shovels really changes it up.
I was so on my way to win, and then you got my 3 poos.
All right, that does it for the game Doggie Doo. A big thank you to Donal for playing this game.
Thank you
with
for
me.
having me.
I know it's one of the funniest games that I've ever had you play, because when we did board game night,
This was more fun. We did serious games. We are cracking this out for the
Yeah.
next board game night.
This is silly. I think it would be really, really fun. And I'll be putting all of his links down below. Go subscribe, show him some love. He is amazing and phenomenal and makes delicious videos.
No poops though. I don't do
No
poops.
And I want to suggest a double amount of food.
Yes, because otherwise you don't get enough in there.
It just doesn't create enough suction to have it shoot out the back and make the funny noises. I hope that that's helpful.
For
And
ultimate doggy farts.
I don't know if I'm really proud that I won Doggie Doo because Donal was on a fast track to winning.
And then you
But
just
then,
swooped on in there.
Ooh, the
Switcheroo.
tables turn. And if you want to see any other fun videos, you can click up here.
Oh, and up here also. Click it.
Yeah,
Go
please.
click. How are we going to get it back into the bag?
Donal, I kind of wish it was brown.
It should be brown.
I kind of wish it was brown.
Maybe they thought when they were making the game that that would be too much.
Too
Too
gross.
graphic. Too gross.
Yeah.